Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, the game has crashed with error code 0x12c, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, click install files and then click verify integrity of game files here. And once you're done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your BIOS menu. So the way that you can do that is you're going to click onto your start button and then you're going to click on to restart while holding the left shift key on your keyboard. So hold the left shift key and click restart here. And once you click onto that, you're going to go into your BIOS menu then. And when you open up your BIOS, now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you enable CPU AES instructions. So you're going to look for the AES NI or AES instructions in your BIOS menu. Once you find it, you're going to make sure that you enable it. And after you enable the AES instructions, you're going to save the BIOS settings and then close the BIOS menu. After that, restart your computer. And once you're here, now you can go ahead and try to play Forza Horizon 6 and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.